So, Sally, one of the biggest sticking points for people is that they think they haven't got the money to have solar. What would you say to somebody that says, well, I haven't got the money to have a system?
Well, when we actually sat down and looked, well, hang on a minute, we're spending this amount of money on our electricity bill. All we're really doing is, we're going to have this saving. So that money is going to go to paying for the solar system. And it just, once you've got your head around that, it's nothing really changes. You're like, that's obviously what we need to do. Absolutely. So you just got to get your mindset around, okay, that money we're saving is going to buy this.
Absolutely.
And just, it's a few years, but we're not going to be doing this for long.
And that's the wonderful thing, isn't it? It's a simple redirection of money that you would have spent anyway, which once the system has been paid for via those savings,
doesn't take long.
You now own your own power station.
Yeah, exactly.
And that's free for the rest of your life.
And we're just saving that money. It's amazing.
Wonderful. Wonderful.